Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of AI, but not just the cool tech stuff. We're talking about how you can actually make money with it. Yeah, you heard that right. AI isn't just changing the way we live, it's creating a whole new landscape for earning online. From AI-powered tools that make you a freelancing machine to generating your own digital art that sells, we're breaking down the top methods to leverage AI and boost your income. Whether you're a tech whiz or just starting out, there's something here for everyone. So if you're ready to unlock the earning potential of AI, grab your coffee, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Let's talk about freelancing. It's competitive, but what if you could 10 times your output without all-nighters? That's where AI comes in. AI tools can up your game and help you land more clients. AI writing assistants like Jasper can help you blast through writer's block. Design tools like Canva can help you create stunning graphics in minutes, spend less time on tedious tasks, and more on landing high-paying clients. AI is like a super-powered sidekick that helps you work smarter. AI tools can also improve the quality of your work. Grammarly can catch typos and grammatical errors, making your writing polished. For video editors, AI can help with color correction, audio mixing, and generating subtitles. AI-powered freelancing is about working smarter and delivering a better product. Happier clients, more projects, and more money in your pocket. Incorporate AI tools into your workflow to level up your freelancing career. Trust me, it's a game changer. Now, let's talk about turning your creativity into cold, hard cash with AI-generated content. Imagine creating stunning artwork, unique designs, even entire videos, all with the help of AI. It sounds crazy, but it's totally possible with tools like Midjourney, DALL, and Runway. These platforms are like having a digital art studio at your fingertips. You can literally type in what you want to create, and the AI does the heavy lifting, generating incredible visuals that would have taken hours, if not days, to create manually. And the best part? You can sell this AI-generated content as digital products and rake in some serious cash. Think about it. People are always looking for unique artwork to spice up their homes, businesses, or social media feeds. You can sell your AI-generated art as prints, posters, phone cases, you name it. Websites like Etsy, Redbubble, and Society6 are perfect platforms for showcasing and selling your digital masterpieces, but it doesn't stop at artwork. You can also create and sell other types of digital assets, like website themes, social media templates, or even stock photos and videos. And if you're feeling really ambitious, you can even offer custom AI-generated designs to clients. Need a logo for your new business? Boom! AI can help you with that. Looking for a one-of-a-kind illustration for your website? AI's got you covered. The possibilities are pretty much endless, and the demand for high-quality AI-generated content is only going to increase in the future. So if you're looking for a creative and potentially lucrative way to make money online, this is definitely one to explore. Let's face it, in the world of business, time is money. And what better way to save time and boost efficiency than by automating tasks with AI? That's where AI chatbots and automation services come in. Businesses everywhere are adopting these technologies to streamline their operations, and you can be the one to cash in on this growing trend. Now, I know what you're thinking. Building chatbots sounds complicated. I don't know anything about coding. But here's the thing. You don't need to be a tech whiz to create powerful chatbots. Platforms like ChatGPT and ManyChat make it incredibly easy to build and deploy chatbots without writing a single line of code. Seriously, it's as simple as dragging and dropping elements, setting up some basic rules, and bam! You've got yourself a chatbot. These bots can handle a wide range of tasks, from answering customer questions and providing support to booking appointments and even processing orders. And the beauty of chatbots is that they work 24/7. Imagine having a virtual assistant that never sleeps, never takes a break, and can handle hundreds of customer interactions simultaneously. That's the power of AI-powered automation. But it's not just about chatbots. You can also offer other automation services like setting up email sequences, creating social media workflows, or even automating data entry tasks. Businesses are willing to pay top dollar for these services because they save them time, money, and headaches in the long run. So, if you're looking for a way to create a passive income stream that practically runs itself, this is it. For all my content creators out there, this one's for you. We all know the struggle of constantly churning out fresh, engaging content. It's a grind, but what if AI could help you create more content faster without sacrificing quality? Well, guess what? It can. AI-enhanced content creation tools are here to revolutionize the way you produce videos, blog posts, social media updates, the whole 9 yards. Take Lumen 5, for example. This nifty tool can take your blog posts and automatically turn them into engaging videos, complete with visuals, music, and transitions. Talk about a time saver. And for those looking to dive into the world of AI-generated video, platforms like Synthesia are an absolute game changer. These tools allow you to create realistic videos featuring virtual avatars that can speak your script in multiple languages. It's like having a whole production studio at your fingertips. But it's not just about speed. These AI tools can also help you optimize your content for different platforms and audiences. Need to create multiple versions of a video for different social media channels? AI can help you do that in a flash. The bottom line is, incorporating AI into your content creation process can help you streamline your workflow, produce more content in less time, and reach a wider audience. That means more views, more engagement, and ultimately, more revenue for you. As AI becomes more and more integrated into our lives, businesses everywhere are scrambling to catch up. They know they need to embrace AI to stay competitive, but many don't know where to start. That's where you come in, the AI consultant. If you've got a knack for understanding and implementing AI tools, you can position yourself as an expert and help businesses navigate the exciting and sometimes overwhelming world of AI. Think about it. Companies are willing to invest big bucks to optimize their operations, and AI is the key to unlocking new levels of efficiency and profitability. You can be the one to guide them on their AI journey. But it's not just about consulting. You can also share your knowledge and expertise through training programs, create online courses, workshops, or even one-on-one coaching sessions to teach individuals and businesses how to leverage AI tools for their specific needs. The demand for AI skills is skyrocketing. So whether you're a seasoned AI professional or just starting, there's never been a better time to share your knowledge and help others harness the power of AI. And the best part, as an AI consultant or trainer, you get to be at the forefront of this technological revolution, constantly learning and evolving alongside the industry. You'll be working with cutting-edge tools, solving real-world problems, and helping shape the future of how businesses operate. So, if you're passionate about AI and have a knack for teaching, this could be your calling. Now let's talk about putting your money where the AI is. Literally. AI is changing the game when it comes to investing. And while it might sound intimidating, it's becoming increasingly accessible to everyday investors. We're talking about AI-powered trading bots and algorithms that can analyze market data faster and more accurately than any human ever could. These bots can identify trends, spot opportunities, and execute trades with lightning-fast speed, potentially maximizing your returns. Now, I'm not saying it's a guaranteed path to riches, but AI can definitely give you an edge in the complex world of finance. Platforms like eToro and Wealthfront are making AI-driven investing more accessible than ever before. You can even find robo-advisors that use AI to build and manage your investment portfolio based on your risk tolerance, financial goals, and even your ethical considerations. It's like having a personal financial advisor available 24/7. But it's not just about automation. AI can also provide you with deeper insights into market trends and help you make more informed investment decisions. Imagine having access to real-time analysis of market data, sentiment analysis of news articles, and even predictive models that forecast future market movements. Of course, like any investment strategy, it's crucial to do your research, understand the risks involved, and potentially consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions. But there's no doubt that AI is transforming the world of investing, and it's an exciting opportunity to explore. So, there you have it. 6 powerful ways to make money online using AI. Whether you're freelancing, creating digital products, offering automation services, or diving into AI-driven investments, the opportunities are endless. AI isn't just the future, it's the present, and it's opening up new ways to earn every day. Remember, the key is to find what interests you the most and dive in head first. Experiment with different AI tools, explore various platforms, and don't be afraid to get creative. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI method you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.